Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Skype. To know how to solve or how to fix Skype, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window of Skype. After that we click on force stop and we click OK. After that here we go to storage. You will click here clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.